Welcome to Dunder Data Pandas Challenge number 3. These are daily exercises to challenge your Pandas skills. You can take all of the challenges at python.dunderdata.com. So for all of these challenges, we're going to read in the data set with the first cell. So let's go ahead and do that. This is an employee data set with a few attributes on each employee. So the challenge says to select every 100th row beginning with the first row. So this is actually quite simple. We will use the iloc indexer, and we can just do this in a single line. So we'll take our data frame and do .iloc, which stands for integer location. So iloc gives you the ability to select by integer location, and then we're going to use slice notation here. So we're going to slice from the beginning to the end by every 100th row. So slice notation has three components: the start, stop, and step. So the start would go here, but we're not starting at any specific location, so it'll just start at the very beginning. The stop will go next after the first colon, and we're gonna not gonna stop until the very end. So that's the default, but it's the step size that we care about, and we're gonna step by every 100 rows. So that's all the solution is. Let's go ahead and execute that cell. This will just allow us to see the solution, and now we can test our solution by passing in the EMP dataset. That's our employee dataset. Let's go ahead and do that now. So it looks like it's selecting every 100th row, so that looks good. And then we can view the actual solution over here. So everything looks the same, but as we know with data frames, it's difficult to tell exactly if they match exactly. So that's why there's a search statement here that will definitively tell us whether we have the data frames are equal, and they are. There's no error here. So that does it using the iloc indexer and slice notation. So that's it for Dunder Data Pandas Challenge number 3. If you enjoyed this challenge and would like to learn more, then come check out my books and courses at dunderdata.com. I provide a comprehensive path for mastering both Python and Pandas to produce trusted results. Below I have a few of my courses. Exercise Python will teach you the fundamentals of Python. Master Data Analysis with Python is an extremely comprehensive course that will teach you everything there is to know about using the Pandas library to do data analysis. And then my newest course is Build an Interactive Data Analytics Dashboard with Python, which is a really fun and exciting course and teaches you all the steps for launching your very own dashboard with Python.